How to create a flipbook with Publuu. Publuu can turn any PDF into an interactive flipbook that you can easily share and track online. With a realistic page turn effect, a user-friendly interface, and features like the page thumbnail sidebar, your content instantly feels more professional, engaging, and modern. Now, let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, register your free Publuu account and upload your PDF. Select your file and wait a few moments while Publuu converts it into an interactive HTML5 flipbook. After conversion, you'll enter the editor, where you can customize your flipbook. Change the title and description, set a custom background, and add your logo. Choose which tools are visible in the viewer menu. Control privacy settings. Protect your content with security options, and collect potential clients' details using lead forms. Add a table of contents for easy navigation, and adjust the viewing experience and preferences. Finally, bring your publication to life with interactive elements like hotspots. In this area, you can add links, photos, videos, sounds, GIFs, or products. When it's done, click Preview to see the final result. Now you can move through your flipbook just like a real magazine. Internal links help you jump between pages, perfect for a clickable table of contents. Videos play right on the page. Product tags show extra images, detailed descriptions, and even discounted prices. Slideshows run automatically, and hotspots open pop-up galleries when clicked. Different video layouts and subtle GIF animations add movement throughout the pages. You can also add audio so readers can listen with a single click.
Welcome back to Interior Spaces.
And when everything's ready, share your flipbook via a link, QR code, email, social media, or embed it on your website. After publishing, you can track how your flipbook performs, including views, page activity, and clicks. Detailed statistics give you clear insight into how readers interact with your content. Congratulations, your flipbook is ready, and this is only the beginning. Explore more, discover what's possible with Publuu.